How much money do you actually need to retire? In the next 5 minutes, you will learn the exact formula to calculate how much money you truly need to retire, adjusted for inflation and real-world risk. And I've created a free Excel calculator for you. You can download it, enter your numbers, and instantly see your real retirement corpus. Because here's the truth. A global retirement study shows over 60% of people underestimate how much money they need. Most say rupees 5 crore or $1 million. Nice round numbers, but retirement is not emotional. It is mathematical. And most people are off by crores and hundreds of thousands of dollars. India's long-term inflation averages 5 to 7%. In the US, long-term inflation averages around 3%. Healthcare inflation in both countries is often much higher. Here's the first shock. You are calculating retirement using today's expenses. 50,000 rupees per month in India or $2,000 per month in the US. But you are retiring in the future, not today. 50,000 rupees per month today at 6% inflation becomes almost 1.6 lakh rupees per month in 20 years. $2,000 per month today at 3% inflation becomes roughly $3,600 per month in 20 years. That means your annual expenses rise from 6 lakh to nearly 19 lakh, and from $24,000 to roughly $43,000 per year. Your 5 crore rupees sounds good, or $1 million should be enough. Target is already broken. The Trinity study showed that a 4% withdrawal rate historically survived 30 plus years in diversified portfolios. But most people multiply annual expenses by 20. That is risky. The conservative formula is retirement corpus is equal to annual expense divided by 0.04. If your future annual expense is 20 lakh rupees, you need 5 crore rupees. If your annual expense is $60,000, you need $1.5 million. Not 2 crore, not 3 crore, not $800,000. 5 crore or $1.5 million. And that's after adjusting for inflation. This is where most FIRE plans collapse. Research shows spending increases almost proportionally as income increases. This is called lifestyle inflation. Corporate income rises, EMIs rise in India, mortgage payments rise in the US, school fees rise, college costs rise, travel, upgrades, insurance premiums increase. If your retirement number is based on your current minimal lifestyle, you are planning for the wrong version of yourself. Retirement is not about quitting work. It is about replacing income permanently in rupees or in dollars. Many professionals today will live 25 to 35 years after retirement in both India and the US. That means you are not planning for 10 years. You are planning for 30 years of cash flow. That changes everything. Financial freedom is not a number. It is a system. Control your expenses. Adjust for inflation. Invest consistently. Use safe withdrawal logic. Freedom becomes predictable. Now, let me show you how to calculate your real number. Download the free Excel sheet below. Open it. Enter your current monthly expenses in rupees or dollars. Step 2. Enter expected inflation 5 to 7% for India, 2 to 4% for US. Step 3. Enter safe withdrawal rate. 4% is conservative. Step 4. Enter years left to retirement. The sheet automatically calculates your future annual expenses, your required retirement corpus, in your currency. No guessing, just math. Run your numbers, face them calmly. and comment below if you've got any questions. I'll be happy to help you. Most people chase round numbers. Professionals calculate. Stop saying 5 crore rupees. That sounds good. Or $1 million feels safe. Model it. Calculate it in the sheet that I've given you. When you know your real number, fear reduces, clarity increases, and systems win. If you want structured mathematical wealth building, subscribe to our channel. This channel is for professionals who calculate.